Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the best products on the market to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're delving into the world of gate hardware with the heavy-duty gate hinges by Pixplex. If you need robust hinges for your garage door, look no further, because these are the best hinges for garage doors available. Let's dive into why these hinges stand out. First off, they're built like tanks. Made from durable thick cold roll steel, these heavy-duty hinges boast a staggering 900 pounds capacity, ensuring your garage door swings smoothly and securely every time. Installation is a breeze thanks to their well-done design. Whether you're outfitting a swing gate, trailer ramp, or barrel door, these hinges are up to the task. With their 7-inch length and 1.25-inch barrel diameter, they provide ample support for even the heaviest of doors. Now, let's talk durability. These hinges are coated with a matte black finish, not only giving them a sleek look but also protecting them against rust and corrosion. So whether your garage door faces the elements or stays sheltered indoors, these hinges will maintain their integrity for years to come. But what sets these hinges apart is the inclusion of a grease nipple. This ingenious feature ensures that the internal ball bearings remain lubricated, promoting smooth operation and extending the lifespan of the hinges. No more annoying squeaks or sluggish movements. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the sturdiness and performance of these hinges. From replacing old hinges on trailer ramps to outfitting heavy steel barn gates, these hinges have proven their mettle time and time again. So, if you're in the market for the best hinges for garage doors, look no further than Pixplex's heavy-duty gate hinges. With their robust construction, easy installation, and long-lasting performance, they're sure to be a game-changer for your garage. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews of top-tier products. Until next time, happy gate hinging!